Q&A. A and Q. What do you think that means? Oh, let's find out together. Let's do this. Woo! Hey folks, David aka RVJedeye, and this is kind of a unique video because I'm going to do something that I've never done before. Over the years, a lot of folks have said, why don't you do a Q&A video? You know, let viewers ask questions and answer them. Some have suggested doing it live, some have said do it taped, so we're going to try it this way. For the very first time, I'm going to do a Q&A video for Sunday. So what I need you to do is, if you have a question that you wanted to ask me, David, aka RVJedeye, or just about myself or my RV experience, I want you to go ahead and drop that question here in the comments below. You want to do that by Friday, September 4th by 12 noon. And then I'm going to take as many of the comments as I can, answer them, and then I'll post the video on Sunday. So a question and answer video from yours truly. I hope it'll be eye-opening. I've never done it, as I mentioned before, but I figured it's about time, and we'll do it taped this time. At some point maybe I'll do a live chat, but for right now we're going to do it this way, and we can talk about everything. How I got into RVing, the 2 different RVs that I've had, some of the places that I've been. I just want to share this experience with you and talk about RVing, and hopefully you'll find something interesting about it as well. So again, make sure you drop your questions for the Q&A here in the comments below up until Friday, September 4th at 12 noon. And then I will take those comments, answer as many as I can, and then I will post the video on Sunday, September 6th. And then we'll see how it all turns out. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget you can follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, RV, drop your questions, and let's do this Q&A together and see what happens. See you next time.